Beautiful people, you're welcome to day one of my 30 days of how. So for the next 1 month, I'm going to show you how I created various look. I'm going to be switching from makeup tutorials to Gele and to hairstyling tutorials, something to just spice up your beauty game. Now today's tutorial is on how I created this beautiful rose Gele. And so I started out by dividing the Gele into two. So this is a 50-50 tying. That's the principle, is a 50-50 tying. So I put the middle of the fabric behind my client's head and I created my plates. Starting off, I'm creating 6 plates. Now depending on how wide your fabric is, that is the number of plates you're going to create. So I'm creating both a number of plates on both sides of her head, also ensuring that she's holding it down firmly. Then I'm crossing this fabric right at the middle of her head and I'm dragging it to ensure that it is firm. You can see how I'm ensuring it is firm like this. Now as soon as I'm done tying it like this, she holds it down, then I begin to create the roses. So if you follow this tutorial, you follow me exactly, you follow exactly what I'm doing, trust me, you're going to be able to recreate this very look. So just go ahead and follow me. So I'm just taking the fabric round, then I'm going to secure it with a pin. Then once that is concluded, I'll go ahead and repeat the same process on the other parts of her head. Now if this is your first time here, you're welcome. This is Glam by Debbie. I show you tutorials on everything beauty, so please go ahead to like, share, follow, subscribe, talk about this video, let someone else get to know about this tutorial from your own sharing or your own referral. And with that, I've come to the end of today's tutorial. This Gele came out so beautiful. It was simple yet so cheeky and classy. I'm just painting all the areas just to ensure that this Gele is firm, and you can see it looks beautiful. And my client Precious, she loved it. You can see the way she's smiling, and the Gele was even firm with no risk of it like falling away. You can see how happy she is. So I'll be here tomorrow to show you another tutorial. Until then, keep winning. Bye.